SMCI stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing Supermicro computer stock, I'm seeing a 7.2% increase in price, which is phenomenal. Now, before I get into it, context, I've spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. And generally just speaking with SMCI, this first break is just well off for me. I definitely would rather just stick to something that I've tested for 35,000 videos and refined over those 4 years, rather than trying to guess stuff. And even previously, I do have the proof of calling this thing lower. Here's the proof. I was very open to taking things up here. Like, if you have been following my channel, you will know what my idea was on this the whole time. And now, generally speaking, unless I see those retracements, then there's just no way that I'm taking things up. Now, you have to understand, now my bias could be bullish, but sometimes it can just go up without me, and I'll definitely have no say into it. So yes, we'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.